You need to buy me a gift.
She did.
Ask Quentin to buy you a gift. That's what she said. See, bang. Okay, so we're going over our favorite animals. So my favorite animal is a turtle. What about you, Aiden?
Mine is all the creepy reptiles.
What about you?
My favorite animal is the zoo.
Okay, so we literally were going to the dinosaur thing today, and look what we found. We found the Jurassic Park Jeep.
The coolest thing in the world.
Coolest thing ever.
Airplane!
Okay, we're here at the zoo. Look, the sign.
One of my favorite animals is the giraffe.
Nashville Zoo, there it is.
Yes, and by the way, one of my favorite animals is the giraffe. Let's call them the behemoth.
Where are we right now?
We're at the Nashville Zoo. We're at the ticket booth, and we're with Zoo. We found Rio. There he is, right there. Rio, you have a great movie. Wait, what? Whoa! It's Long Arms McBufferson. Oh my God! Whoa!
Look, he's a gorilla from Gorilla Tale.
Oh! Bro, this is a metal tree. Oh! Can I eat it?
Not yet.
Ooh, I bet this. It smells like chocolate.
All right, go ahead and eat it.
Try it. Try it.
Wait,
Do it, Sal. Do it, Sal.
Oh, it's all yummy. That's yum.
It's really good.
Oh, I want the whole thing. Look at the meerkat. So cool. Meerkats are so cool.
Oh yeah, there's one. Oh, there's one right there. Oh my God! There's a little meerkat. Simba, the meerkat. Pretty cool.
Okay, we're in the reptile area. See,
Hey, second gift shop.
there's an axolotl right there.
Oh my gosh.
Axolotl, actually. With the kangaroo.
We can go inside with the kangaroos.
Let's go.
What can we do?
Go inside with the kangaroo.
This is cool, isn't it? What do you have to say about this?
This is amazing. That one's asleep. Look at that one.
Look at this one. He's so cute. He fell asleep.
Can we see the kangaroo?
So cute.
Comes that way.
So guys, we are opening we're doing the second candy challenge.
And then after this, we're gonna go to Alligator Cove.
What do you think about the zoo? Is it rate it from 1 to 10?
Right now, I give it an 8.
8.1.
What is that?
Yay!
Go.
Hold on.
What's that smell?
Hold on. All right, y'all can eat.
Look at
What is that? I'm not eating this. Ew. What is
Try
that?
it.
No.
Try it, Sal.
I'd rather throw this away.
We got Dippin' Dots. I think cookie dough. Very good.
Yum.
Very good. You got Rainbow?
I got rainbow.
It's their first time trying Dippin' Dots.
Yeah, I also got rainbow.
Cheers.
What'd you get? Aiden, what'd you get?
Split.
Banana split.
They're pretty good. Burn. Yes. No.
Spit me!
Spit on me!
Spit me! This is the dinosaur that likes to eat fish. I almost died.
They're kind of creepy.
Look at these guys. Sellers, you're intimidating it. It may bump you in the head.
It's gonna headbutt
You
you.
can't do anything.
He might.
His feet are glued.
This one over here is staring at you.
Oh yeah, look, your feet are glued to the ground.
See here. With the T-Rex.
I found the sound thing. Look.
His leg is bigger than me, guys.
Oh, it's bigger than me.
You gotta see this in person. Go to the Nashville Zoo. Check it out.
That's like a gift shop.
Guys, we're doing a hide and seek at the jungle gym. This is gonna be so cool. And so basically, we're just gonna be playing hide and seek in this giant jungle gym. There's like rope ladders and stuff. It's the funnest jungle gym ever. Y'all go hide, I'm counting to 30. Ready or not? Here we go. I'm just taking a little break from seeking and playing on this thing. I love this. Alright, back to hide and seek.
Okay.
I think I know where they are. I think I can saw them. I haven't been here yet. There's a giant snake. Alright. Aiden, come here. You were the first one that I saw, and then I saw Addison, so Aiden's the seeker.
Okay, I'll count in this corner right here.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Hey.
No, you're not. Here I come.
Check up here.
Hi, Addison.
That was our zoo video. I hope you enjoyed it. It was very fun with my cousins. And if you want to watch Aiden's channel, you can go to JMC Adventure Planet and go subscribe to him. And also subscribe to me and like the video.